for today's Tech Check. Deirdre Bosa brings us an exclusive interview with CEO Ali Ghodsi. Dee?
Leslie, thank you so much. And Ali, thank you again for making the time to talk to us this morning. A big round. Let's talk about this Meta investment, though, because it really underscores Databricks' alignment with open source AI. And given the adoption of Llama and other breakthroughs that we've seen from the likes of DeepSeek, a Chinese lab, do you think that the era of proprietary closed source AI is over? What does that mean for the likes of an OpenAI?
No, I think that there's going to be both. But we're definitely seeing an explosion of open source models. But the thing that really changed the market was when Meta released Llama. That just completely changed the landscape. And we immediately saw thousands of customers immediately starting to use the Llama open source models. And one of the main reasons is that when they're open source, you can actually take these models and modify them and customize them on your enterprise custom use cases. So that's what everybody was doing. And the surprising thing for us was they were especially using the smaller models, the 8 billion parameter, as they're called, the tiny ones. So we started partnering closely with them then to give the feedback of how these enterprises were using it. And that's where the partnership started. And it made sense to just deepen it with an investment here.
Right. And Ali, you're a big player in this space, and you're sort of going all in on open source. So what does that mean for the industry? What does that mean for sort of the investment proposition for the likes of OpenAI and the big AI startups and companies that are developing closed source?
Yeah, I mean, look, the race is continuing. On the closed source side, there's been this new sort of reasoning-based models. These are models that think longer. So instead of immediately giving the response, they think for a little while. But now we're seeing the same thing happening on the open source side. So very quickly, open source is catching up with similar models, and people are super excited about it. So in general, I think you're seeing, the pace picking up now even more than I would say last year around AI, especially because of this sort of thinking or reasoning phase that we've moved into. So it's very exciting times.
Does it threaten the way that things have been done over the last 2 years? And I know we've talked a lot about scaling laws and progress kind of, plateauing a little bit, at least at the pre-training stage. You talked a lot also about the commoditization of AI models. So if OpenAI is catching up so quickly, what does that mean for the industry?
Yeah, I think it is a big shift. I mean, a lot of people are just trying to sort of wrap their heads around what happened with AI just the last year or so, but they might not realize the game has completely shifted from sort of baking these massive models that take a very long time to prepare. This is what was called the pre-training and the scaling laws. To now, you can actually, for very few dollars, not much at all. Actually, researchers at Berkeley showed that they could build a reasoning model for $450 just last week. So you can actually create these models that do thinking for much, much less. You don't need those huge amounts of money to pre-train the model. So I think the game is shifting. The type of hardware you need might shift. The type of research you do is shifting. Also, it's leveling the playing field. So it's no longer just 3 big giant labs can do this. It kind of democratizes. Universities are back. So people are very excited about this new era.
So Ali, if that's happening, it feels like it's a little bit at odds with this huge project announced yesterday, Project Stargate, $500 billion to build data centers for OpenAI. What does that suggest to you? Perhaps that OpenAI is on the brink of a meaningful breakthrough, or is it perhaps an indication of a bubble in AI?
Well, I think we need more investments in data centers. So I think it's good, actually. And many of those are our partners. SoftBank actually invested in this very round of ours, and we partner very closely with Oracle. In fact, Oracle has been helping. Whenever there is scarcity of GPUs, they've actually been one of the first to come and provide data centers that actually provide you those GPUs. So I think it's good for the United States. It takes such a long time to build these, so it makes sense to invest in those. The numbers are large, so we'll see where it lands. So I think that's all positive. But how does it fit this new paradigm? We don't know. Things are just changing so fast. The type of hardware we need, I think, will change. I think we will not need the kind of hardware we had in the past. I think we need a different type of hardware for these reasoning models.